Now this illustration further deals with AFCI protection in accordance with 210.12A3 and A4. Now notice at the top part of the illustration, we see supplementary arc protection circuit breaker and a panel board. And then notice we're running the cable 50 feet for number 14 to the first outlet, or 70 feet to the first outlet for number 12, and the wiring shall be continuous to the first outlet. And this was new in the 2014 NEC, for example. And the outlet branch circuit, OBD, type AFCI type device is in the metal box there. And then notice this would be method 3 in the drawing, and it states a listed supplementary arc protection circuit breaker installed at the origin of the branch circuit in combination with a listed outlet branch circuit type AFCI installed at the first outlet box of the branch circuit. Now, notice this became an acceptable method in the 2014 NEC. Now let's look at method 4. It states a listed outlet branch circuit type AFCI installed at the first outlet in a combination with a listed branch circuit overcurrent device. And then again, you have 50 foot for number 14, 70 foot for number 12, and the wiring again shall be continuous. And the wiring method that you select is 210.12A5. And notice the outlet branch circuit, again, the OBD type AFCI device. The outlet shall be marked to verify it is the first outlet. Now, notice this was new also, and the 2014 NEC is the one above. So figure 10-52B is illustrating AFCI protection when installed by 210.12A3 and A4. Now, notice these methods. I notice that a lot of your contractors are just still using the circuit breaker. That is a combination type circuit breaker that has ground fault, short circuit, overload, and AFCI. Some of them are even buying one that has a GFCI also. And they'll put those in there for these circuits, because now all outlets have to be protected by AFCI in a dwelling unit. And notice it does say outlet. And to get a real grip on this, you would review the definition of an outlet in Article 100, and that will bring to light lighting outlets, receptacle outlets, and so forth. So keep this in mind now up to this point. Now we're going to review in the next illustration what we can do and see what takes place.